After this video you will be able to install custom Windows builds without losing any data. Let's begin. First, download the Windows build you want to install. I will do the Ghost Spectre for example. Mount it. Open Setup. Type 1. Click on Go Online. Wait. Then pick the largest partition. OK. Wait. Wait. Windows 11 Ghost Spectre installed without losing any data. Updated are working. To get your old data, go to this PC. C drive. Windows.old is your old data. I got my files back. That's it for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. See you later in another video. Bye.